I'm Miss Tiffany. Let's make some hair conditioner Play-Doh today. Kind of different than what we usually do. We're only going to use 2 ingredients. The first one is flour, like we normally use with Play-Doh. We're only going to use a half a cup. And I'm going to pour it on my mixing tray. Then we're going to use hair conditioner. And we're going to use a 1/4 cup. So I'm going to dump that on here and we're going to mix it up. So as we mix, if it is too wet, we add more flour. If it is too dry and it won't stick together, then we'll add more hair conditioner. This seems a little bit too wet, so I'm going to use just a little bit more flour. That's coming together nicely. It feels a lot like regular Play-Doh, but it smells really good because of the conditioner. I think maybe I'd like a color. Let's try green this time. I'm going to fold it in and mix it up. There it's coming. It almost feels like it's getting a little bit sticky again. So I am going to add a little bit more flour. And now it's turning green. If you have any glitter or sprinkles, you can put glitter and sprinkles in it to make it look cool and sparkly with a little bling. I think I might have some glitter. I may need to reach out of the camera. I have some green glitter. So my green glitter and my green Play-Doh. There we have it. It feels a lot like regular Play-Doh. And it's sparkly and shiny. Thanks for making Play-Doh with me, friends. Have a great day.